With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So here we have the question which says if x is less than 6 and 17.5 is the mode of the following frequency distribution, and given class interval is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, okay, and frequency for these class intervals are given, that is 5, 2, 3, 6 and x, right? Then we need to find the value of x and we need to check which option is correct, right? Now since we are given the mode of the following frequency distribution, so we can say uh, we can find the x by using formula of mode, right? So here we know formula of mode is L plus delta 1 upon delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. Now let's understand what are these values. So L here is lower limit of modal class, right? And delta 1 is difference between what? Frequency of, I'm representing frequency by a small f and difference as di double f, right? Frequency, difference between frequency of modal class and frequency of pre-modal class. So what is pre-modal class? That so what is frequency of pre-modal class? That frequency that comes before the frequency of modal class. Okay, now here we have delta 2. So delta 2 is difference between frequency of modal class and it is S modal class and frequency of post modal class. Right, and what is post-modal class? So frequency of post-modal class represent that frequency which comes after the frequency of modal class, right? So here if we see in this, and yes, here we also have I, so I represents the size of the class, right? So size of the class we can clearly see from the given class interval, which is if we see this, we have 0 to 5. Okay, so if we subtract 5 minus 0, we get 5. So width of the class is 5. Now here we need to find the modal class. So how do we find the modal class? Modal class is that class that occurs the most of the time, or we can say that has the highest frequency, that class that have the highest frequency. So if we see in this, okay, and here it is given this x is less than 6, so that means the value of x cannot be greater than 6. So here the biggest, that the highest frequency is 6, and it is for the class 15 up to 20. So here we have modal class that is 15 to 20, right? Now here from this we get L is equals to 15, that is lower limit of modal class, right? And here we have mode is equals to 17.5, that is given, right? Mode is equals to 17.5 is given, okay, and we got delta 1, that is what? Modal class, frequency of modal class minus frequency of pre-modal class. So frequency of modal class is 6 and frequency of pre-modal class is 3. Okay, so 6 minus 3, what we will get? 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now delta 2 is what? Delta 2 is modal class minus post modal class, frequency of post modal class, that is x. Okay, so 6 minus x, okay, and here we have I, that is equals to 5. Now putting it in the formula of mode, we get here we have L plus delta 1 upon delta 1 plus delta 2 into I. So here mode is given, that is 17.5, right? And here we have lower limit of modal class, that is 15. Okay, so 15 plus delta 1 is 3 and delta 1 here is 3 plus here we have 6 minus x and into 5, right? So moving forward, what we will get? Here we will get 17.5 minus 15 is equals to, this 5 will go over here upon 5, and here we have 9 minus x, right? So 17.5 minus 15 will be 2.5, and here we have 5, and here we have 3 upon 9 minus x, right? So we can write it at like this, 25 upon 50, and here we have into 3, and this is 1 upon 9 minus x. Okay, so this will be 1 by 2, and here we get 9 minus x is equals to 2 into 3 is 6, right? So here we got this, so we get 9 my x is equals to 9 minus 6, that is x is equals to 3. Okay, so value of x is 3. Now if we check our options, so option 1 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.